Hey there, hope everyone's having a good time today. Today we're unboxing an Oris. The Oris we're unboxing is the Oris Chronoris. Now, the original Chronoris was released in 1970, and it became Oris's first chronograph that was inspired by motorsports. Now here we go, let's take this big box out. And I'm a big fan of the Oris Chronoris. It's a fun little watch. It wasn't small in the day, but nowadays it feels a little smaller. The watch is about 39 millimeters. In inches, that's about 1.5 inches. And let me try to get it out of here. Real tight. This model here, you can see it's got the gray and black textile band. I've done the other one with the gray and white and the white face. And with removing all the plastics, here we go. It's real sharp looking in the black face. It looks a little sportier to me than the white faced one. Just a very cool kind of like space age looking watch. I mean, I really dig it. It's fun. It's unusual. It'll get some attention when you're wearing it on your wrist. Definitely, people aren't used to seeing the Oris Chronoris. Now, those of you who look at numbers, give me a second, I'll give you the... Okay, got the number here. This is the 01733-7737-075-1924. The movement is a Oris 733 based on a SW 200-1, and the power reserve on this guy is 38 hours, and it's a 26 joule movement. Here we could take a closer look at the face of the Chronoris. Really cool, very retro inspired. Even the way they did the font there on the bottom. You know, the second hand, I love that wider orange second hand. You know, it really gives you a motorsports or racing feeling to the watch. And you can see here, it's got that dark gray, light gray, and black strap. It's a textile band. It looks like a NATO strap, but it's not really a NATO strap. It works just like, you know, a normal leather strap would, pretty much, except it's got the extra piece of textile or fabric in the back like a NATO would, but the strap action on it is more like a traditional watch strap. Here you can see it on my wrist. Again, it's a little smaller. If you guys don't like small watches, I'd skip the Chronoris. With this, with the textile, you know, you put it on, it's actually a really easy watch to ignore. You kind of forget you got it on until someone mentions it. It's kind of neat, a little different. My wrist size is about a 7.5 inch wrist, so as you see the watch on me here, I hope that gives you a better idea of how it would look on your wrist. Now, this watch is great. I wouldn't pick it as my main watch, but it's a fun driving watch. It's a fun additional watch. If you wanted something a little quirky in your collection, the Chronoris hits all those buttons. Thanks.